This video shows a Uniflow Model 4230 hot melt drum unloader pumping Chase moisture blocking compound to a cable stranding line. A non-stick tray is provided so compound does not drip onto the operator or the machine during drum changes. Either steel or fiber drums can be used. With fiber drums, a non-stick clamshell is used to prevent the drum from splitting. For safety, two-handed operation is required to lower the platen into a new drum. The air trapped between the platen and the compound must be removed. The semi-automatic bleed boost option allows this to be done from the touchscreen.
Go ahead.
A heated hose is used to move material from the Uniflow drum unloader to the Uniflow containment cone. The containment cone holds the wire die, and it applies moisture block compound to the wire strands. A photo eye monitors the amount of compound at the entrance of the containment cone and automatically controls the pump rate on the Uniflow. The cable exits the containment cone with all interstices completely filled with moisture block compound. The Uniflow can pump Chase block at speeds of up to 400 pounds per hour. The output of multiple machines can be combined for higher speed requirements. Configurations are also offered that eliminate the need for the stranding line to stop during drum changes. Contact Uniflow to discuss the options and features you would like on your next drum unloader for your cable application.